This platform has everything. It has AI fashion models and tools for creating promotional photos and videos. Plus, it has the ability to try on clothes on a virtual model, image editing tools like background removal and quality enhancement, and many other advanced options.
Hey my dear friends, I'm back with another exciting video. Stick around and join me on this one.
All right, this is the main page for Bandy AI. Let's explore the platform and find out exactly what they have to offer. These look great. So, what's the next step? Let's quickly create an account right here using our Google account and jump straight in. Upon successful login, this is the dashboard view. Note that we have the option to input the URL of our product here, regardless of the source website. Bandy AI claims compatibility with major e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and eBay. In addition, there is a separate creation method available through the Assets tab, allowing us to upload the product image directly instead of utilizing a product link. Okay, look down here. We see two options, UGC video ads and agent mode. The agent mode is super cool. You just type in the idea you have in mind and the AI builds it for you. Now, when we look at the upload options, we have all these choices right here that you can see. We also have additional control tools available. This allows us to select the target platform for the video, such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Moreover, we can define the video's aspect ratio and its length, with support provided for videos up to 1 minute, along with other settings. Okay, let's try the UGC video ads with a link first. I'm just picking my settings right now. Done. Let's hit that little blue arrow and see what it makes. Oh, I see. The agent mode is still active here, so while it's busy making the video, you can type in what you think or tell it to change something, and it will do it. That's pretty handy. Okay, so after the AI does its checking and analyzing, it brings us to this page. Here, we just need to confirm the product details and the media that we want it to use. Once we hit confirm, it starts designing our dream promotional video. And seriously, I have to emphasize this again. While it's working on the design, you can still use the agent mode to request any changes you need. That is a massive advantage. So right here, it gives you 5 different scripts to choose from. You just pick the one you like best or the one that works for what you're trying to achieve, and it builds the video based on that. Following the script selection, the platform generates several video previews. Users must select from these options, and importantly, they have the ability to choose more than one video to proceed to the finalization stage. The videos I selected have now been successfully generated. Additionally, I have prepared a separate sample utilizing the agent mode to demonstrate its output. Let us now review all the generated showcases in detail.
Beauty gurus are gonna hate me for talking about this, but With Luminous Latch Serum, you can transform your lashes and instantly make your eyes the standout leisure they deserve. Everyone, let me tell you about a little miracle, Patcha the Brightening Eye. This gem, packed as vitamin C, Your eyes are the window to your soul, so why not make that window shine? Everyone, let me tell you about a little miracle, Patcha the Brightening Eyes. This gem, packed with vitamin C.
What we saw looks pretty good, but I'm still gonna go in and make a couple of tweaks to the design. The sample I'm gonna show you now is where I used a link in the UGC video ads setting. But pay attention, because I jumped into agent mode halfway through. I first swapped the male model for a female model, and then I changed the whole background to a bedroom. Let's see how it looks.
Huge price shakeup for tired eyes. Grab your voucher now and save big. That's where eyebright X comes in, turning weary eyes into visibly refreshed ones with a simple, affordable solution. That changed for me when I found this amazing premium eye cream. It's clinically tested and truly fades those pesky fine lines or dark circles. And puffiness? Gone. If you're looking to refresh your look and keep your skin glowing, try this eye cream. Get yours and start seeing the benefits for yourself.
All right, let's move on and go look at the rest of the tools that this brand new platform has available for us. Yeah, just like we saw on the homepage, it has a ton of tools. So we'll just test one of them out together for now. I'll give you a quick rundown on the rest, so we don't make this video too long and boring for everyone. Let's get this try-on clothing test rolling. First, we need to upload the item we want to use. Super important rule here. Look closely at the examples. You have to upload the clothing item on its own. No mannequins, no models, just the clean product shot. You can actually pick a few different clothing items all at once here. Next up, you choose the model you want to wear the clothes. After that, you set the dimensions and the number of pictures you want it to make for you. Keep in mind, it costs 6 credits per image generated. Here are all my final choices. Let's hit generate and see the final result. Whoa! That looks incredibly neat and gorgeous, seriously, and awesome. We can download it straight from this area too. Here, users have the option to apply further edits to the generated image or utilize other tools for additional modifications. Should the result be unsatisfactory, you may select Regenerate to restart the process or use Re-edit to make necessary adjustments. Time for a quick look at the remaining features. Try-on accessories works identically to try-on clothing. You upload the product image, pick your model, and the rest is history. Super easy. Okay, for swap model and background, you upload your picture. Just like the examples, if you want to change the person in the photo, you click Select Model. If you want a new background, you hit Select BG, or just pick both. Then you set the size and how many photos you want and click the button to make them. The next feature is Product Video. Upon image upload, 2 options become available: Preset and Describe. The Preset section contains pre-designed videos, and the AI assists by recommending a suitable option based on the characteristics of the uploaded image. The Describe part automatically designs the video for you based on your uploaded picture, which I think is pretty cool. If you don't like the prompt it comes up with, you can hit refresh to get a brand new one. Also, in both modes, Preset and Describe, you can choose between Pro or Standard quality. Next is the Create Poses and Angles feature. Following the image upload, 2 options are presented. Users can either select from the pre-drawn poses provided, or they can input their own custom prompt via the Input by Yourself option. Furthermore, it's worth noting that the Input by Yourself section includes pre-generated suggestions, which is a useful addition. And product in hand is super easy. You just select your product photo, pick the model, and then hit the button to let the AI create it for you. Finally, the platform offers a suite of image editing tools, including functionalities such as crop, upscale, watermark remover, object remover, and background remover, in addition to the other tools displayed. We have completed the feature review. We will now proceed directly to the showcase segment to view the generated outputs.
Thank you all so much for sticking around. I truly hope you found this video useful. I love you guys so much.